everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing another Dutch pour today on an 18 by 24 canvas. It's going to be a black base and I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. 7 is my lucky number. All right guys, I will get you down onto the canvas and I will talk to you about the colors and the composition. I'll be right back. Okay, as I said, I got an 18 by 24 canvas and I've turned it sideways. I'm going to do a Dutch pour. And I'm just going to do one line. I'm going to start down here, work my way over here. And then I think I'm going to do one branch up this way. Colors today, I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, DecoArt Sapphire. I have DecoArt and Soho Silver mixed half and half. I have Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose Light, DecoArt 24 karat gold, Amsterdam Naples Yellow Light. This will be the first time I'm using this color, so that should be fun. And top it all off with DecoArt Metallics Emerald Green. All right, so I'm going to flood this canvas. And again, I am using the black, so that's why I have a glove on, because getting black on you is not easy to get off. So I pre-mixed this black. It's been sitting in the can for a while now, a few days. And then I gave it a little shake. So I'm gonna try to keep myself out of the black. All right, let's blow this out. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do, I always start off here in the left and go this way. So I think I'm going to go off this way, start right to left. So let's get started here. I'm going to pick these colors because I'm doing a black, and a lot of times black backgrounds, it's hard to get these colors to come up. So I'm hoping this will work out well. So let's move on up this way. And we'll go that way with a little branch. Used a lot over here. Oops. Silver. Silver can take over, so you got to be careful with how much you use. Don't want to use too much. Iridescent blue green, one of my faves. Quinacridone rose, that's really going to pop on this black. I'm left-handed, so I usually start left to right. So we'll see how this goes. I don't think I've ever tried anything this direction before. 24 karat gold. This new color, Naples Yellow Light. And we're going to top it all off with metallic emerald green. Interesting color combo, guys. We'll see how this turns out. Let's torch for air bubbles again. All right, I think I'm gonna blow a little bit in here to the negative space and then work my ways. Yeah, I don't like this here. I feel like I don't like this one here. It's like the colors didn't blow there. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Just pull this all off like that. Just pour a little black back in here. And see if I can get this blown out. Okay. Okay, that's better. All right, I'm letting this sit, and more color is now coming to the surface, so I'm liking that a lot better. Gold and green is coming up out of here, so that's good. Let's see if anything pops up with the torch. Okay. Over here. Okay, now I'm liking things. I like now so the longer this sits, the more color is finally starting to pop up. So that is something that kind of happens sometimes with black. So when you don't like it, just let it sit, because then the colors are going to come to the top. I do have got two metallics and some iridescent. Sapphire was, so it's going to have a lot of shimmer to this. But the longer I let it sit, the more colors are popping up. All right, I think I am going to leave this alone. I am going to have to touch up the side. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let me bring you down off of the tripod. I'll show you what I'm talking about, and then I'll fix everything off camera. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so here we are with the wet look. It's really cool. I'm loving the color combination, and the longer I let it sit, the faster the colors, or not the faster, but the more the colors are popping back up through the black. So let me bring you in for a close-up. Look at the green and the pink and the blue. The cells just really came out. So here was just looking like faint of gold, not much there happening. And the longer I sit, now you can start to see the blue and the green pop up. I would have liked to have maybe a little bit more color in here, but I really don't want to mess with this. This corner is really one of my favorites. It's just all the colors are just coming up. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Look at all the cells. This metallic green, just beautiful. I love it. Just amazing. Can't wait for this to dry. Once this dries, whew, I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, also, see here? This is why I'm thinking I should have painted the black on the edges first, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back through with my squeeze bottle and touch them up that way. And then after it dries, I'm probably gonna have to come back through and do it again, so. Okay, here's the dried result. This turned out completely different than what I was going for. I kind of look at this and I see maybe some sort of like bird-like, because you can see what I consider like the wings going from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, and then maybe a tail coming down to the bottom left corner and the head there. It's so weird. That's not how I planned. I would have liked to have seen the colors come up a little bit more. Overall, I'm okay with this piece. I'm not thrilled with it, but I believe that you should see the good and the bad pieces. So I don't consider this a bad piece. I don't consider this a great piece, but I will bring you in. I do like the colors that I chose. I'm just not a big fan of how they showed up. Here you can see, like I would have liked to see some of the color get into here, but it just didn't. But I do love the color combo. So I am gonna try the color combo again, but I'm gonna try it. See, like there's the head I would consider. Maybe like a fly or some sort, I don't know. I'm gonna try the color combo again, but I'm gonna try the color combo on a white base instead of a black. So I think that's part of the problem, but hey, you know what? They're not always winners. It's paint, it's a gamble. So I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed making the video. So I wanted you guys to see the piece as well. So, all right, everyone. As always, all my pieces are available for purchase. So you can email me directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I do post a new video. And leave me some comments below in this and let me know what you think. But I'm still proud of it. I like it. I like the colors. I just will use it on a white base next time. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.